Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or clear your emails in no time. So quickly, I'm going to tell you about 2 ways to clear your emails very quickly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers on your computer. I'm opening this Chrome shortcut of Gmail, and after opening Gmail, it will lead you to this home tab of Gmail. The first option you should try to clear your emails very quickly is to select all and delete. In order to do that, you just simply have to click into here and click on this all option to select all and click on the delete button. And your emails will move into the recycle bin, and from there, you just simply have to do that same process and click to delete. Now, the other option here is to go to your inbox and then tap on this filter icon into the search mail. From there, you can filter all the emails that you want to delete very quickly. You can select the size of the image into here, and you can select the date range of the emails that you want to delete. And you can also search into the categories in here. And after doing that, just simply click on the search button, and all of the emails that you want to delete quickly will appear into there. By following these 2 very easy steps, you can easily delete your emails very quickly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.